Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to go back in time in Google Maps. So let's dive into it. Open your Google Maps application. Such as if you wanna go back in time, I'm gonna zoom in and you're gonna just click on a bit here, such as I'm just pinned here. As you can see, there is a street view right here on the left side, left hand corner. Click on it. As you can see, there are street view of this street, and the below you can see 9 months ago. See more dates. Click on the see more dates. Here you will see October 2023, May 2021. Click on it. Now the streets are little bit different. March 2013. Now the street looks very different from the earlier. See, so this is how you can go back in time in Google Maps. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.